Hello everyone, my name is Itai Shakuri and I'm with the open source team in Security. Today I want to talk to you about Tracee, which is our runtime security tool using eBPF. Tracee is basically collecting everything that happens on the operating system, and then it processes this stream of events in order to detect suspicious behavior. In order to run Tracee, you can just use our Docker container that we have, ElfExec/Tracee. If we run this, we see that Tracee has loaded a default set of signatures, and let's try to simulate a suspicious behavior. I have here a hello world executable. It just prints out hello world. But I also have here hello world packed, which is the same executable, except it was built using a tool that embedded this hello world executable into a new executable, which at runtime unpacks it into memory and executes it directly. This is a behavior that sometimes is being used by malware in order to evade being detected. But we can see that as soon as we execute it, Tracee has detected this as dynamic code loading kind of behavior. Another thing we can do is to run this hello world using ElfExec, which is a tool that will help us execute this using a memfd file, which is a Linux kind of virtual file handle that has no presence in the file system and therefore is quite popular in order to evade being detected by malware, by anti-malware software. So once we run this, we see that Tracee has detected it as fileless execution kind of behavior. And the final example that we'll see is using STrace, which is actually a quite popular and innocent Linux tool, but the fact that it is occupying the debug handle on the file means that it will block others from doing the same. And this is something that we call anti-debugging kind of behavior, and this is another kind of suspicious behavior that we detect. We have a large number of library of rules that we already detect, and many more to come. You can also write your own rules. Actually, our rule engine allows you to write rules using Golang or Rego, which is a popular language in the cloud native space. All of the rules that we have written are open source, and in fact Tracee is open source in GitHub. You can go to aquasecurity/Tracee. All the code is here, all the policies are here, all the documentation is here. And we also have a discussions tab that you can use in order to talk to us, tell us what you think, ask a question, and whatnot. We'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you very much.